78th Independence Day, and this day, two people are achieving a grand feat. I don't know what it means to each one of you, but I do hope you derive meaning of camaraderie, you derive meaning of friendship that is newly explored while you people went about putting this whole thing together. I congratulate Dr. Avinash Kate for leading and lending this idea to Knowledgeum. And I know it's not been easy, but I know it's rewarding.
The 78th Independence Day reads some history of the past, how India attained freedom. In fact, you'll get a glorious history of people who really sacrificed their lives. And now you have to empower yourself to become leaders of the society and impact the world as good human beings. And all our students and teachers have taken an initiative of India Records, building a 78 feet flag made out of newspaper, Indian flag. And this has been the most great part enacted from the student side and the attempt to make it India proud, and that is how Knowledge Academy has believed in building the capacity of the leaders and all the sacrifices made by the previous great souls should not go in vain, and India should become one of the world's best economy. And Knowledge Academy has believed in building leadership capabilities. Last 2-3 years, this has become the first IB school to build the human capacity and creating that concept of nation building among the students and instilling them the spirit of sacrifice and the ability to make things happen. That's what the students of Knowledge has been doing, and we hope that with 78th Independence Day, by 100th Independence Day, India becomes one of the glorious economy of the world.
Thanks. Yeah, madam, please.
ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇನ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. It is our 78th independence, and we are celebrating it in true spirit of unity, the power of diversity, and the power of oneness. Let us continue this in spirit and word, and let us make India a brighter place in the world. At Knowledgeum Academy, which is located in Jayanagar, Bengaluru, we have taken upon ourselves to create something unprecedented. Something for the first time is being attempted by 78 Knowledgeumites. We have created a grand Indian flag with all recycled material, and we want to present it to the world. Come join us, and in the celebration of Independence Day, Happy Independence Day again. Jai Hind. Is an education provider. We offer high school in the international curriculum called International Baccalaureate. And that's enough? Is that enough?
Yeah.
We are in our 3rd year of operations, and we are part of the renowned Jain Group. Come visit us to know more.
Good morning to all of you. An historical movement of Knowledgeum Academy. Of a spectacular event which is happening here. Big round of applause to each and every one of you. The record is largest Indian flag made using newspaper. The record for making the largest Indian flag by using newspaper was set by Knowledgeum Academy, an initiative of Jain Group, Bengaluru, Karnataka. On the social celebration of the 78th Independence Day, more than 78 students, teachers and the staff members of the Knowledgeum Academy created largest, measuring as 79.5 feet length and 4 feet width Indian flag using the waste newspapers and wheat flour gum under the theme I Love India. As confirmed on August 15, 2024. Once again, congratulations to Knowledgeum Academy and team of Jain Group for achieving this groundbreaking milestone. I would also like to thank all those who were involved in this remarkable environmental activity by some or the other way, because each and every one of you have created a history today. Once again, big round of applause. Now officially I am handing over this certificate.
I am Aparna. Independence and freedom. Independence is not just a moment in history. It's a continuous path to prosperity. We are proud to be Knowledgeumites, a thriving community that believes in the purpose, in the collective purpose of doing good and being good. Our commitment is deeply rooted to prepare the next generation to bring India to the world and the world to India. Together we are building a future where our nation's values and innovations shine globally. Jai Hind. Today we have achieved an extraordinary feat, that of creating the longest flag, Indian flag, by any record holder in India. And we are all excited about the award that we have just received. Thank you to the India Book of Records. Thank you to all the Knowledgeumites, and thank you to the countrymen who have encouraged us here at Knowledgeum Academy. Together, let us march not just past, but let us march boldly into the future. Happy to be Knowledgeumites. Once a Knowledgeumite, always a Knowledgeumite. Jai Hind.